Welcome to the lesson 6-1. Now we're going to be making the uh, side fender. First thing first, we're gonna get that vertice, then Control Shift, then getting that one. We're just gonna copy this entire edge with Shift D, placing it on the y-axis, just a little bit on the right, and then just PS to make it a separate object. Then just name it a back fender. Simple as that. Now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna hide the hood and the front bumper to have more clarity when we will be doing the fender area. Now just extrude it over on the y-axis from the top view. I just go to the isolation mode by pressing the slash key. Now we're gonna get rid of the extra vertices for now. I turn off the sub D while doing so you'll have. Okay, now let's extrude this over right on the back side of that line and the blueprint from the top view, of course. Now we just fixed it from the right side and a little bit from the back side. Now let's isolate this. Going to a top view, let's give it 6 vertices by Control R. And now we're just gonna press them. Now we're just going to align them one by one. Be sure to deselect a certain vertice by pressing Control and just deselecting them. Just left click and just. Now we're just going to align it over on the right side. After that, we're going to check out the back side to see if it is on this right place. We might need here one more over. Cool. Over on the back side, it is not well aligned, so we're just going to try to align it. But if we move it on the back side over on the x-axis, it might move on the top, and it did. So we're just going to improvise a bit. We might have to move it on the y-axis, or let's try z first. Yeah, even z is impacting it, so let's do one thing. Let's just make the back side the main side in replace of the top side. So yeah, let's follow the back for now. We're just gonna place it in the proper place by just going for the Y. Let's check out the side. Yeah, it's just a little bit off, but it's fine. It doesn't really matter. So our main sides will be for the back fender will be the top and the back. So we have managed to make it as close as possible in all three sides. It looks like we're done with the alignment. Now just extrude the end point. No, we're just gonna extrude the end vertices or the back side towards the right side, as we can see over on the screen. We can merge this with this. Just join them with J. Cool. Now we just have to align it. GZ over there. Maybe let's move it. No. Yeah, it seems like it's fine over on the Z axis. Cool. Now we're gonna put six vertices, and we're just gonna trace it like always. Let's push them over to the right side from the top view, one by one. Now just space them a bit so that both of the lines will be in the uniform space. Maybe not there, not like that. Uh, After making the face, we have to put two edge loops down in the midsection. Now let's join them. I mean, just make the face. Let's just get rid of the extra word that we have created before.